Welcome to my channel Glory with Mathematics. Please subscribe, like and share.
Dear students, in this section let us solve our exercise 1.1 from the first chapter real number. So exercise 1.1 question number 1 is use Euclid's division algorithm to find the SCF of there are 3 bits. First one is 135 and 225. So let's solve first one. So that is find the SCF of 135 and 225. So bit 1 solution is 225 is greater than 135. So we apply Euclid's division algorithm. To 225 and 135. So 225 is equal to 135 into 1. So then what is the remainder? Plus. So remainder is 225 minus 135. So this is 90. So here 90 is the remainder. 90 is not equal to 0. So as 90 is not equal to 0, so we continue this process by taking 135 and 90. So 135 is equal to 90 into 1. 90 into 1 plus again 130. What is the remainder? 135 minus 90. So this is 45. Again remainder is 45. It is not equal to 0. So again we continue this process. That is 90 is equal to 45 into 2 plus 0. So here we got the remainder 0. So in this step, the divisor in this step where remainder is 0, the divisor is the SCF. So 45 is the SCF of, that is 135 and 225. So in this way you can find the SCF. Let us solve the second one, that is 196 and 38,220. So as 38,220 is greater than 196, then we have to divide 38,220 by 196 to follow the Euclid's division algorithm. So here we have to divide 38,220 divided by 196. So this is 196. So this is 6 minus 6, 7, 8, 1, then 2. Then we can apply 9. So 9 6 are 54, 56, 17. So this is 9, 98, 0. So this is, let us take 5. 5 6 are 30, so 98. So remainder is 0. So 38,220 can be written as 196 into 195 plus 0. So here remainder is 0. Remainder is 0. So when you got the remainder is 0, from that step the divisor will be the SCF. So here the divisor is 196. So SCF of 38220 and 196 is 196. So this is the SCF. Let us solve the third one, that is 867 and 255. We have to find the SCF. So as 867 is greater than 255, so we apply Euclid's division algorithm. For 867 and 255. So 867 is equal to 255 into, so to find the quotient we have to divide 867 divided by 255. So this is maybe 3, so 3 5s are 15, 16, 7. So that is 201. So 255 multiplied with 3 plus remainder is our 102. So again the remainder is not equal to 0. So again we continue this process by taking 255 and 102. So 255 is equal to 102 into 2. So 102 into 2, this is 204. So we have to subtract 255 minus 204. So this becomes 51. So plus 51. Again the remainder is not equal to 0. So we continue the division algorithm by taking 102 and 51. So 102 is equal to 51 into 2 plus 0. Here we got the remainder as 0. So from this step, the divisor is our 51. So in the last step, divisor is 51. So this implies 51 is the SCF of two numbers, that is 867 and 255 and 255. So let us solve the question number 2. So that any positive odd integer is of the form 6q plus 1 or 6q plus 3 or 6q plus 5, where q is some integer. So let us solve this. So let a be any positive integer and b is equal to 6. So by using Euclid's division algorithm, a is equal to 6q plus r. So where 0 is less than or equal to r, less than 6. That may be r may be equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5. It should less than 6. So that means a is equal to 6q, or a is equal to 6q plus 1, or a is equal to 6q plus 2, or a is equal to 6q plus 3, or a is equal to 6q plus 4, or a is equal to 6q plus 5. So from this, a is equal to 6q. A is equal to 6q, that is 2 into 3q. So this is an even number. Then a is equal to 6q plus 1. So this is odd. Again a is equal to 6q plus 2. So this is also also 2 common. 3 cube plus 1. This is also even. Then A is equal to 6 cube plus 3. So this is equal to 6 cube plus 3 is, that is 6 cube plus 2 plus 1. That is 2 whole into 3 cube plus 1 plus 1. So this is odd. Again, this is, next one is A is equal to 6 cube plus 4. That is 2 common, 3 cube plus 2. So this is even. Then next one is A is equal to 6 cube plus 5. So this is equal to 6 cube plus 4 plus 1. That is equal to 2 whole into 3 cube plus 2 plus 1. So this is odd. So look at the odd numbers. So this is odd. This is in the form of 6 cube plus 1. And another one is, this is odd. So this is in the form of 6 cube plus 3. And the last one, this is odd. This is in the form of 6 cube plus 5. So every positive odd number in the form of 6 cube plus 1 or 6 cube plus 3 or 6 cube plus 5. So here A is equal to 6 cube. 6 is written wrongly. That is A is equal to 6 cube, the first.